Main abstract of a project. The goal of the project is to create the smart home technology elder peoples require living at home with access to device. The system is also reported the name of the tablet. At hospitals, there are the many patients. It is difficult to remind every patient to take medicine on time. The name is displayed on the box, medicines and voice message given signal from the patient so that they own can have tablet on time. Existing of the methodology of our priorities, a medicines remember app that manages prescription schedule and alternate for the reminding the patients about the types and time of the medicines according to the prescribed medicine schedule. Other medicines remember system is proposal where it transmit open the mobile alliance data synchronizations. Basic messages which contains the patient's prescription and devices data to remote the medical staff. The existing technology like automating medicines, remember using the Arduino does not involve the information transfer to doctors. So we have include Wi-Fi module which helps to transfer the information to the doctor about how many clips the patient had taken. The proposed methodology of operate is the system is also report the name of the tablet. At the hospitals, there are many patients. It is difficult to remind every patient to take the medicines on the time. The name is displayed on the box of the medicine and the voice message gives the signal for the patient so that they can won't have tablet on time. Objectives of our project is professor objective to study the literature review on the assistive device for the elder and differently abled peoples, to analyze the hardware components required to design the assistive device and to study the Pretorius software tools. The implementation of the device circuit on the Pretorius software. The components required for our project is power supply, RTC, Wi-Fi, Arduino software, LCD, etc. Hardware components content Arduino R3. The Arduino R3 is an open source microcontroller board based on the micro 80 mega 328p microcontroller. Rather than the required a physical press of the reset button before an upload, the Arduino board is designed in a way that allows it is reset by the software running on the connected to the computer. LCD. It is a one kind of electronic device module is used in the exhaustive range of the applications like wireless circuits device like the module, phones, calculator, computer, TV sets, etc. And these display are mainly preferred to multi-segments. The main benefits of using this module are inexpensive or simply programmable. The animation and there are no limitations for displaying costume characters, specials and even animations, etc. The hardware components contains ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. The ESP826 Wi-Fi module is a self-contained SoC with the integrated TCP and IP protocol stack that can give any microcontroller access to your Wi-Fi network. Each ESP8266 module come pre-programmed with any AT command set firmware. The ESP8266 module is extremely cost-effective board with the hug and every growing community. Application specific device through it GPIOS with the minimal development upfront and manual loading during the runtime. The ESP8266 support APSD for the VoIP applications and Bluetooth co-extensive interface. And next is power supply. The input to the circuit is applied for the regulator power supply. The AC input 230 volts from the main supply is stepped down by the transformer to the 212 voltage and feed to the rectifier. Next, RTC. RTC must accurately keep the time even when the device is powered off the because it is often used as a trigger for the turning device or triggering events such as alarm clock. RTC battery should last the 3 to 5 years or more RTC essentially. If the battery fails, it must be replaced to ensure the contained operations. RTC IS regulates the time with the use of a crystal oscillator and does not rely on the clock signal like most hardware clocks. Benefits of the RTC includes RTC have the provide to a more precious than the other methods like programming the timer of the controller. It frees the main system for time critical tasks. It is low power consumption and improve the frequency stability. The next is software components of a content. Arduino Uno R3. Arduino integrate the development environment or Arduino software IDE is contain the text editor for writing the course, a message area text console, a toolbars with the buttons from the common functions and the series of the menus. It it is connected to the Arduino hardware to the upload the program and the communicate with the program written using the Arduino software IDE or called as sketches. Here we are using C++ language. Ticker card software. Ticker card is used to simplify the method of the construction of models. A design made up of the primitive shapes that are either solid or whole. Combining the solids and holes together, new shapes can be created, which is then can be assigned to the properties of the solid or holes. Finally, conclusion of our priorities. Conclusion. The procedure of system is affordable and easy to install and using with less maintenance and cost. The processor of a device is portable and can be customized. Futures of a scope of our priorities. The futures work may include extending the concept as mobile apps that enable even lesser cost. Technology can be helps the peoples with the above challenges to meet out some of them and allows the to lead active and independent life.